Hey everyone, this is Kayla with AllProWebTools. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all about how zip codes work in AllProWebTools. When I am creating a new contact record, instead of entering the entire city, state, and zip code, I can just enter the zip code and it will automatically bring up the city and the state, as well as it brings up the time zone that that contact is currently in, according to their zip code. Now, let's say that Elizabeth did move to Arizona, and so now I have to change her address. If I enter in the zip code for Arizona and I enter it, it's not going to automatically change the city or the state the second time, but it will show you here the new time zone that she is in. That's how zip codes work in AllProWebTools. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy helpful videos like this, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when AllProWebTools post videos just like this one to help you manage your business. Again, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.